What is up, yield farmers? Welcome back to another yield farming video. And you're here because you want to learn how to farm the SAFE token, the insurance token, so that this video is actually made to make the whole process extremely clear so that you can start farming some tokens. And if you already have a Web3 wallet, I'm going to assume you already do. If you don't, I strongly suggest that you stay away from yield farming until you know what's really going on. So stay to the end of this video and you know exactly what to do to get started, okay? I'm going to jump right into the good part. So what you need to do is go to this website, yieldfarming.insure. So as you can see, it's a very familiar UI if you've already been mining YFI or anything similar. And there are 4 pools, right? So the pool 1 and pool 2, you will need to stake these tokens from Yearn, insure.finance. But unfortunately, if I'm not mistaken, everything is already sold out. So this is not an option, most likely. Yep, it's already sold out, but this is an option. You can buy some of these tokens from Rarible, but they usually come at really, really expensive. So I wouldn't suggest you do that. Another way you can do it is in pool 3, which is Rep NXM. Those who don't know what Rep NXM means, it's actually a token from Nexus Mutual. It's a insurance token whereby you can insure smart contracts. So you can either buy it here. You have to go through some KYC processes and all first, and you can wrap your NXM to, let's see. So you can only wrap NXMs if you own it and you have to go through an approval process. But if you don't want to do this, wrap NXM can be bought on, I believe it can be bought on a few other exchanges. Yep. So you can buy it on Balancer with Ethereum. You can buy it on Uniswap. You can buy it on Binance, okay? So this is where you can get your WNXMs. Withdraw it to your browser wallet. And then this is where you stake it. This is where you stake your NXMs. And with this, there are a few things to note, okay? There will be some gas fees involved, so you need to make sure that you have at least 0.1 or 0.2 ethers on your wallet for gas fees, because you will need to approve the contract to stake it. You will first need to approve yieldfarming.insure to spend your WNXM and another transaction to stake it. And whenever you want to claim, and once you've done that process, once you hit stake and the process goes through, you will start earning SAFE tokens, and you have the option to exit and claim at the same time, or just claim rewards and what. Okay, so guys, this is the end of this video. It's really pretty straightforward, to be honest, and you just need to do a bit of research and be comfortable with it. And right now, gas is at quite a high level. Yeah, so make sure that you put in enough gas so that you don't fail your transactions and you start earning SAFE tokens right away, okay? So guys, that's the end of this video. It's a fairly straightforward one. Please remember that this video is not financial advice. I am not a professional financial advisor, so please do your own research and don't put in money that you cannot afford to lose, okay? So that's it for this video, and if you want to see more of this type of videos, please hit the like button and the subscribe button. And if there's a specific farm that you'd like to know, just leave a comment down below. I try to reply to every single comment on this channel, so please hit the like and subscribe button, and just ping me if you need anything on the comment sections, okay? So yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.